All right, we got a crazy deadline. It is a hectic day. There is about 50 cars outside, and we're trying to bring this project to the finish line. Let's go. All right, so this is about 6 months in the making. We were supposed to be done tomorrow. Unfortunately, installations, timing, construction, product, things don't always go as planned, but we're doing everything we can to bring this bad boy to the finish line in the time that we were given. First thing I'm gonna show you is this rack room. Normally, we aim to do all this stuff in the office. Unfortunately, like I said, due to construction, due to logistics and products and everything coming in, we're doing it here. In here is where majority of the, come on in, it's all good. We're doing raw content today. This is the rack where everything is going to be wired. Don't let me slow you down, guys. Just want to show you the ins and out of what we're doing. Got Zach in the back terminating lines. This is going to be a full Josh and Control4 system. We actually have 3 different locations where there will be racks and receivers and audio video equipment. This is going to be a fun project. I don't want to spend too much time showing you everything that's going on in here because I'm going to bring you back upon completion and tell you what everything does. But as you can see, we got a lot of equipment going on in here. Let me get out of here because they're working. All right, let's go this way. Let me show y'all the game room. We're gonna glance through the game room because we have a complete video on that room. But as you can see, there's chaos, there's movers, there's painters. This is going to be a 5.1 surround sound with 3 different displays. 265s, 85, 5.1 surround sound, touchscreens, audio, video control, you name it, it's happening here. Everything is going to be quick today because as you can see, there's people everywhere, there's construction, there's dust, there's dirt. So we're literally gonna scan through this walkthrough. Hello. Still trying to get that bad boy in there? Yeah. It ain't cutting, we gotta go back. We'll come back to that. Let's go downstairs. Hello. I wasn't lying, guys. I told you it is hectic, it is crazy. But I wanted to show you how this project's come to the finish line. I'm gonna stop right here and show you. Cabling everywhere, there is gonna be a Josh or a touch screen here. Some of the design has changed this week as the homeowner is starting to get more involved in decisions. So we have some of the touch screens are going to be Joshes and some of the Joshes are going to be touch screens. Let me show you the surround sound and the stuff that's going on downstairs. Oh man, every time I go upstairs and come back down, it looks completely different. When I got here today, all of this was covered in paper. Some of the stuff wasn't even painted. Things are moving. Down here, there will be a large 75-inch TV that's going to be mounted there. This is one of the places where we wire the audio video locally. And as you can see, we still have speaker cables hanging because the speakers are going to be installed today. Big TV is going to go right here. As we mentioned, because we are doing, in this specific scenario, there's gonna be a turntable. We wanted to keep the audio local. So this room was originally wired to the rack, and then we rewired it back down here because this is where we're going to house the equipment. Man, there's so much stuff going on. Electrical, Dex is over here installing switches. Let's go see what he got going on. None of these have been installed. Boom, right over here. All right, here we go. I'll show you this one. You're good, Chris, you're good, you're good. Oh, my bad. Well, I want to show you this one and then we'll go back to Dex installing them. This house is going to have lighting everywhere. All of the green switches are going to be Control4 eventually. They'll turn into blue once they get integrated into the system. But we do have switches going everywhere. We have over 90 switches being installed. Not every single switch in the house is going to be replaced, but about 90 of them. All of these are going to be integrated with the Josh platform. So from the touchscreen, from the phone, voice control, the remotes, however you want, you're going to be able to control the lighting. I do want to stop right here and talk about this piece of equipment. This is the Control4 thermostat. When it comes to HVAC, I want to make this very clear. Control4 is the friendly kid in town. They do have integration with Nest, with Ecobee, and majority of the smart thermostats. But do keep in mind that when it comes to two companies being integrated together, every once in a while there's firmware updates or software updates that may mess things up. These are the recommended thermostats by Control4. These are not on the network. These are actually Zigbee-based thermostats that are fully integratable to make sure that you never have any integration issues or things falling offline. As you can see, we got more lighting coming here. We're gonna come back eventually and get all this stuff engraved. Right now, it's installation day. All the details and the final touches get added at the end. Now that the guys are gone, I can bring you in here. Now keep in mind that we're gonna do a full video about this room, but since today I'm giving you a walkthrough, that back there is a 133-inch acoustic screen. This room has a 7.1.2, all powered by the reference Premier speakers by Klipsch Audio. We do have a 4K Epson laser projector and a local rack with video distribution. We got a lot of work to do. I am going to take a little break from recording because we got some work to do, but you want to stay through all the way to the end of this video because this one is super cool. All right, I got work to do.